Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to connect and use a wireless mouse on any smart TV. Alright, let's begin. To connect a wireless mouse to your Fire TV stick or any Android TV, first make sure your TV supports Bluetooth. On your TV, go to Settings, then Controllers and Bluetooth Devices, select Other Bluetooth Devices. Turn on Bluetooth so your TV can search for nearby devices. Next, power on your wireless mouse and put it into pairing mode. On the TV screen, select your mouse from the list of available devices and click Pair. Once paired, the mouse pointer will appear on your TV, letting you navigate apps, menus, and search bars easily. If your mouse uses a USB receiver instead of Bluetooth, simply plug the receiver into the USB port of your Fire TV stick or Android TV. The TV will detect the mouse automatically, and you can start using it immediately. You can now browse the internet, open apps, and control your TV more efficiently. So that's basically how you can connect and use a wireless mouse on any smart TV. That's it for this video. Thanks.